Wet pets.
Wet pets and Pablo. Only one place where fish and lizards hang out with cats and chinchillas. Kick back with hamsters and dogs, parakeets, rabbits, and...
Why can't I have anything nice? God! Like I'm saying, you guys, okay, going back to my rant I was having earlier, if y'all were real ones, you could have made like a literal 5-minute compilation to be freaking out over the burping rap by now. Guess what? I don't see no 5-minute compilation of that shit, so...
Okay.
Sigma males are more attractive than alpha. Stay tuned.
Tag a friend who is mentally ill.
That fucking rat. Rats! Better not be any freaking burping rats in here. Better not be any freaking burping rats.
Daddies, post for me. Ass fat, slim, thick, no.
God damn it! No! No! I swear to God, if he does it again, don't black screen and then do it again. Don't. God damn it! Stop, 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 stop. That's not real. Oh God. Oh God, maybe it is real. Ah! What is this? Why is this the first frame of the video that I'm seeing? What is going on here? What? No way! And it is April Fool's! Wait, that's fucking crazy! Why would you do that? Fucking, that was my birthday gift on my birthday? What the fuck? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna play it anyways. Should I not be playing it? Ah, fuck, what was that? Ah, stop. Oh!
You want some chips?
No, you guys are actually pissing me off. I have to take a walk. I'm actually taking the cat girl headset off. You guys have pissed me off. Stop. No. This is a sign to make a rat pizza with your... No, don't do it. Don't do it. Fuck you. I hate you stupid burping rats. Oh my God. First I get Foxy jump scared. Then I get burping ratted. What next? Big Shrimpet becomes real and beats me over the head with a frying pan in real life? Caught this man lacking. What are you doing snacking on them, I can't say that word on Twitch. Yeah, you can... Fuck you! Oh,
Legally.
dude! No. God damn it, massive balls!
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
I'm not mad. POV, would you want to show your boyfriend or best friend to everybody?
Hold on. Your dad and I want to do it on the couch, so don't come out.
What?
Mind if I join?
Stop! Oh my God! Stop! Oh God, why? Why is there a rat? What in the hell? Don't you do this to me. Don't you... I'm getting very angry. Stop! There's too many rats!
That would never ever happen, right?
9 of hearts. I hate everything!
Water splash droplets emoji.
Oh, not water splash droplets emoji. Boing. Oh, fuck! Excellent. Dude, stop! It's like all my worst things. It's like all the things I hate.
You gotta give him that.
This man go crazy every time.
All the worst things I hate. One video.
My Lobo told me was fail.
Stop!
Was fail.
Stop!
Hello, nice is really cute. Today we have a G-line B-line rat Guma.
There's like a fucking woke mind virus in my brain, and it's fucking making me watch the worst shit that I fucking hate. That fucking rat that I hate.
Does that avatar come with a toggle to take off the shoes?
Dude, stop. God damn it! Like it's gonna be the One Piece penis. Fuck you, dude! That next video better not piss me off. No way! Oh my God. Don't. I I hate you! Fucking rat is gonna just haunt me for the rest of my days. Correct! God damn it, this stupid fucking rat!
I can't stand looking at that thing.
Dude, stop! Stop!
There it is.
Stop!
Look at how smug that thing is.
Stop!
I know. Huh? What's his sign?
Aquarius. Oh, Aries.
No.
Boy, that's weird. Mine is actually Aries.
An Aries? No.
Fuck you! You stupid rat! I fucking hate you! I'll pound you to death with my fucking John Deere tractor! I'll run you over 1 billion times, you goddamn piece of shit!
Or we can make Snickers appeal to the organic, natural crowd with Snickers.
Dude, what the fuck? Oh my... Can't have any peace and quiet on the goddamn media share streams, dude. No peace and quiet ever. Justice will prevail. Justice will prevail one day. I'll get justice for these burping rat videos. I swear to God.
Barely made it.